different endocrine glands and secreted hormones in human body. Hypothalamus, secreted hormone, thyrotropin releasing hormone, gonadotropin releasing hormone, dopamine, oxytocin, vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone. Number 2, pituitary, secreted hormones from pituitary, growth hormone or somatotropic hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, interstitial cell stimulating hormone, gonadotropic hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone and melanocyte hormone. Pineal gland, secreted hormone, melatonin. Thyroid gland, secreted hormone, thyroxine or T4 and triiodothyronine or T3. Parathyroid gland, secreted hormone, parathormone or parathyroid hormone. Thymus, secreted hormone, thymosin. Pancreas, secreted hormones, from beta cell insulin, from alpha cell glucagon. Adrenal gland on kidney, from cortex part, cortisol and aldosterone, and from adrenal medulla, secreted hormone, adrenaline and noradrenaline. From ovary in female, estrogen and progesterone, and from male, testosterone. ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে লাইক কমেন্ট শেয়ার করবে। আমার নেক্সট ভিডিওর জন্য ওয়েট করো আর ভালো করে পড়াশোনা করো।